Salve to discipuli, this is Magister Buddy, and this lesson is an intensive review about pronouns. First, it would do some good to review the pronoun rules. First of all, a pronoun stands in for the noun. That's why it's called a pronoun. Latin does not need pronouns, though it oftentimes does use them. Same case and function as nouns. The nominative is your subject. The dative is your indirect object, of course, unless it's going with a special verb, and it'll be your direct object. The accusative is the direct object or the object of a preposition, and the ablative is the object of a preposition. Here are a couple of examples in English. All right, so the nominative as a subject or the subject complement. We throw the ball. Here, we is in charge of the verb, therefore it's the subject. As the dative, as being the indirect object, the kid throws the ball to me. In this sentence, me is indirectly receiving the action of the verb. Accusative, either the direct object or object of preposition. So Sue helps me with homework. Ablative, object of the preposition. The kid throws the ball over you. Over you is a prep phrase. You is the object of the preposition. Here is your chart. It would do you great if you memorize this chart. Take a moment in your notebook, copy down these 4 sentences, underline the pronoun, label the function of all the words, and translate them. Go ahead and pause the video to do so. All right, so let's take a look at those sentences. Number 1, domina te laudavit. Domina is nominative, it's our subject. Te is accusative, it's our direct object. Laudavit is the verb. So the mistress praised you. Senex mihi quum dedit. Senex is nominative, so he's our subject. Mihi is dative, so it's our indirect object. Equum is accusative, so it's our direct object, and dedit's the verb. The old man gave a horse to me. In English, we can flip that around a little bit. We could say the old man gave me a horse. Either one is grammatically correct. Number 3, nos Romani sumus milites. This one can be a little confusing. The nos really here is just emphasizing the Romani. Those are both nominative plural, and they are together the subject. So we Romans are soldiers. Dominus vos inspicere volt. Dominus is nominative, that's our subject. Vos is accusative, that's our direct object. Inspicere is an infinitive, and since it's completing the idea of this verb right here, it is a complementary infinitive, and this is our main verb right here. So, the master wants to inspect you all. Remember, a pronoun stands in for the noun. Latin does not need them all the time. It has the same case and functions as nouns. Vale to discipuli.